with your son or daughter. Don't ever sleep on Tuscany. A lot of people have never heard of Tuscany, and they just assume it's, not walkable. It's out of the way. It is so walkable. It is just steps away from Horseshoe, steps away from Cromwell, which will be Vanderpump soon. But you won't see this on the Strip ever. Look at this. This is something you would see in a winery. Yeah, I've never been into a winery in my life. Been to a brewery, but not a winery. But it looks like something you would see at a resort that's only for destination to resort is what they call them. Yep, that's what they call them. It's so quiet, and the rooms are big, real big. A little kitchenette, side chair. Some call that a viewing chair. 2 doubles or a queen. A couch, a really big bathroom with shower and bathtub. Not at the same time, but you have the option. And there, right at the back of the property, is the Formula One paddock. So obviously, during Formula One weekend, this is a really, really sought after property. And very, very family friendly. 2 really nice swimming pools. 2 hot tubs. Beautiful fitness center. Free parking. Even if you're in a motorhome, you can park free. If you have a huge vehicle, like a motorhome, you park on the other side, right behind the casino. They have 18-wheelers out there every night.
Maybe if you have a cane or something.
Okay, this is winter time. It's February, but it is 72 degrees right now. It's extremely warm, very swimmable. A full fitness center, and they have a spa. Yeah, they offer spa services here. There's a guy with a Miami shirt on in there. I should call the police. This is a lap pool. and a hot tub over there in the corner. Uh-oh. What's wrong up here? They got the swimming pool completely blocked off. I'll go around and see if I can see it from the other direction. Yeah, I don't know why it's closed from the other direction. Doesn't look like any construction going on.